Connecting Central Texas. This is 25 News.
Hi there, everyone. I'm Todd Unger. History today in the U.S. House, where the democratically controlled Congress passed a bill that ends the federal ban on marijuana. It would remove cannabis from the federal list of controlled substances and eliminate criminal penalties. It would also clear some pot-related criminal records. It's the first time a chamber of Congress at the federal level has voted on the issue. It needs approval by both chambers, though. The U.S. Senate is not likely to take it up in the last 2 weeks of the current session, but individual states would still have to legalize marijuana on the state level. Currently, marijuana remains illegal here in Texas. Dozens of people rescued in Houston from what police are calling a suspected smuggling operation. They were responding to a kidnapping call Thursday night when they saw a man running down the street seeking help. The man told them he escaped from a home where he was being held against his will. Officers investigated and they found nearly 30 people inside that house. Some of them had been there for up to a week. A police lieutenant talking about the case.
Well, I think what the suspects did is they undressed and they hid among the other people. And so we pulled out the ones that looked clean, that still had their jewelry. Most people were dirty and they didn't have jewelry on. These few people did.
Police talking about how they found out who the suspects were. Investigators say the victims are from Mexico, Honduras, El Salvador, even Cuba. Police are waiting on immigration officials to begin a separate investigation. COVID-19 vaccines are set to arrive in Texas in just a couple of weeks, but this is raising some questions. Who gets one first? At the top of the list, healthcare providers and frontline workers who are helping people fight the virus daily in hospitals. Then the more vulnerable populations, such as elderly folks in nursing homes. The general public can expect to have vaccinations available probably sometime after March.
This is really going to be our most powerful tool, our most powerful weapon against COVID. And, the reports say, there's anywhere between 90% to 95% efficacy. That is really exciting.
Health officials say even if you've recovered from COVID-19, it's still not clear yet how long your immunity will last and you may need vaccination.